Good morning, students. So, our next tense is simple past tense. What do you mean by past? It shows the actions which are already completed or have ended in the past. Like, I ate an ice cream yesterday. So that action is completed. So we use simple past tense for it. Now, how do you form simple past tense? We always use the second form or the past tense form of the verb. There are three forms of verbs. Yes, we have read in that worksheet that there are three forms of verbs. For example, tell, told. So, we will use the second form, told form of the verb tell. So in simple past tense, we always use the second form of the verb. Usually we add ed, but it is not true in all the cases. Let us look at some examples. Kirti, Karthik called me last evening. So called is the second form of call. The thief escaped from the police. Escaped is the second form of escape. The guard wore blue uniform. Wore is the second form of wear. So, in simple past tense, you always use second form of the verb to show the completed actions. Now, just as we formed questions in simple present and present continuous, we are going to frame questions in simple past tense also. So, there will be a question word given to you in the bracket. What are question words? Whose, whom, how many, who, what, where, which, the WH family, where. These are all question words. So first thing, you will be given a question word and how you will frame a question in simple past tense. Students, in simple present tense, you used to use does or do. Your does with singular and do with plural. Now in same way, in simple past tense, we are going to use did. Just remember these rules, tenses will be clear to you. You are going to use did in simple past tense to form questions. So a question word plus did plus the sentence plus the base form of the verb plus question mark. Everywhere the base form of the verb has to go. For example, we went to America for a holiday and the question word is where. So first you will start with the question word where, then did, then we will change into you. Where did you go for a holiday? Went. We cannot use went because went is second form. We have to use the base verb. So we will use go. Okay. Just remember we will start with the question word plus did plus the base form of the verb while framing questions. Second, she distributed the sweets on her birthday. When? So when is the question word? So when did she distribute, not distributed, the base verb, the verb as it is. When did she distribute the sweets? Question mark. Garima met Harish in the market. Whom? Whom? Then did Garima meet. Met is the second form of meet. So whom did Garima meet in the market? Question mark. For this, you first need to revise the forms of verbs worksheet. Now students, one important information that when we are making questions in simple past tense, if in the bracket the question word is who and how many, we will not use did. So with who and how many, just remember, we are not going to use did. And the verb is also used in the second form. For example, my mother made this delicious cake and the question word is who. So we will not write who did make this delicious cake. No, we will simply write who made this delicious cake. No use of did. 10 people attended the wedding. How many? So we will not write how many did people attend the wedding. How many people attended the wedding. Okay, so with who and how many, I am not going to use did while framing questions. Now, second case, if a question word is not given to you, okay, and yes or no questions are there, you are simply going to start with did, and the else remains the same. The cat drank the milk, so there is no question word, so you will start with did. Did the cat drink the milk? The base form, drank, will change into drink. They behaved well in front of everyone. Did they behave well? Behaved will turn into behave, the base verb. Okay, thank you.